The future is no longer coming, it's here. And it's free. From writing your next blog post, to editing viral videos, from generating stunning images, to automating daily tasks with a single click. Artificial intelligence is changing everything. Hello everyone, welcome to Sally and Bytes. I'm so glad you're here, because today's video is going to change how you use AI in your daily life. But guess what? You don't need to spend any money. In this video, I'm revealing the top free AI tools you can start using right now to make your life simpler, faster, and smarter. Whether you're a student, a creator, a teacher, or a curious mind, this is your ultimate AI starter kit. Let's begin. Let's start with something visual, because the first thing AI mastered was turning imagination into images. Have you ever wished you could turn words into art? Or remove the background of a photo in seconds? Or even create a thumbnail that looks like it came from a pro studio? These AI tools make all that possible. First up, Leonardo.ai, your personal art director in the cloud. Just describe what you want, like a robot reading a book under a tree, and Leonardo creates hyper-detailed, professional-quality images in seconds. It's a favorite among game designers, illustrators, and content creators who want rich, stylized visuals without lifting a pencil. Next, Microsoft Bing Image Creator, simple, fast, and surprisingly powerful. Type in a prompt like a futuristic city in space, and it instantly turns your words into vivid, AI-generated artwork. Built on DALL-E, it's perfect for blog images, project visuals, or just exploring your imagination. And the best part? You don't need to sign up or pay, just go to Bing and start creating. Now let's talk about Krea, one of the coolest AI image tools out there. Krea lets you design in real time. That means as you move your brush or type a prompt, it shows instant visual results, like magic happening live on your screen. It's perfect for designers, artists, and creators who want full control and fast feedback. Now let's turn words into voice. 11 Labs is your go-to tool. Just paste your text and choose a voice, and boom! It sounds like a real human is talking.
Thank you for calling Tech Solutions. My name is Sarah. How can I help you today? Oh no, I'm really sorry to hear you're having trouble with your new device. That sounds frustrating.
Perfect for YouTube voiceovers, audiobooks, or even giving your blog a voice, all in seconds. Next up, Speechma. A super simple tool to turn your text into professional-sounding voiceovers. Choose from different languages, accents, and tones, whether it's friendly, dramatic, or corporate. Great for YouTube intros, social media reels, training videos, or even school projects. Just type, select a voice, and download. Kicking off our writing and research tools, meet Perplexity. It's like Google, ChatGPT, and a research assistant all rolled into one. Ask anything, what's the best way to learn Python, and it gives you clear, cited answers. It's perfect for students, bloggers, teachers, or just the curious. No fluff, just facts with sources. Next up, ChatGPT by OpenAI. This tool is like having a genius assistant available 24/7. Need help writing emails, blog posts, essays, or even meal plans? Just ask. You can brainstorm ideas, practice conversations, or get step-by-step explanations on tough topics, all in natural, human-like responses. It's powerful, friendly, and constantly learning. And yes, there's a free version too. Gemini is Google's AI assistant, perfect for writing, brainstorming, translating, and even summarizing. It works right inside Gmail and Docs, making your workflow faster and smarter. From words to motion, let's jump into video and animation AI tools. Sketch.metademolab.com. This fun AI tool turns your simple sketches into animated characters instantly. Just draw a stick figure and watch it dance, jump, or run like a pro. Great for teachers, kids, content creators, or anyone who wants to turn doodles into short animations without needing animation skills. Immersity.ai. Turn text into stunning explainer videos in minutes. Just paste your content, Immersity adds voiceovers, visuals, and animation automatically. Kling AI creates hyper-realistic videos from text prompts, think characters moving, speaking, and acting like real people. Ideal for creators who want cinematic quality results without filming a thing. Want to code smarter and faster? Try these free AI coding assistants. Microsoft Copilot, visit copilot.microsoft.com. It's built into Bing and Edge. Ask it to write or debug code. ChatGPT, free tier, go to chat.openai.com. Just describe your coding problem, and ChatGPT will explain, write, or fix code for you in seconds. Google Gemini, head to gemini.google.com. It works great with Python, HTML, and even explains concepts clearly for beginners. And before we wrap up, here is a bonus AI tool you'll love. TinyWow. This is your all-in-one toolbox. From PDF editing to image background removal, AI writing, and file converters, TinyWow does it all. Just instant results. Add them to your toolkit and make life a whole lot easier. These free AI tools can boost your creativity and save time. Tried any of them already? Drop it in the comments, I'd love to hear. Like, share and subscribe to Sally and Bytes. Thanks for watching, the future is already here.